But what about this area here?
My tinkering area?
Sure. Something's got to give.
Well, not my tinkering area.
You are the one who insisted our 16-year-old soon needs his own car.
He does.
I didn't have my own car until I was 21.
And you hated that.
True.
What about the Christmas decorations?
Those are essential.
Tinkering's not essential?
Mark!
Tiana. You are a genius.
I know.
How did you know about action buildings?
Saw one of their online commercials in my research.
Always looking out for me.
I try.
It's perfect.
I know what you like. And what's great about action buildings is that they give you the option of choosing the color, trim, and siding style.
The interior.
Yes, the interior. And it's 100% steel!